Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the Icom Replacement VHF Antenna. If you're in the market for the best antenna for your Icom radio, you've come to the right place. Now, let's dive into what makes this antenna stand out from the rest. First and foremost, it's important to note that this antenna is specifically designed as a replacement for Icom radios. Whether you have an ICF3, ICF11, ICF14, or any other compatible model, this antenna is tailored to fit and perform seamlessly. What sets this antenna apart is its exceptional quality and performance. Crafted with durability in mind, this flexible whip antenna operates within the VHF frequency range of 146 to 174 MHz. It stands at a height of 6 inches, providing optimal signal reception for clear communication. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the antenna to your Icom radio, and you're ready to go. No complicated setup or tools required. Plus, with its compact design, you can take your radio with you wherever you go, whether you're out on the water, hiking in the mountains, or simply staying connected on the job. Let's recap some key features of the Icom Replacement VHF Antenna. It's a genuine Icom product, ensuring compatibility and reliability. Its flexible design provides durability without sacrificing performance. And with its easy installation, you'll be up and running in no time. In summary, if you're in need of a replacement antenna for your Icom radio, look no further than the Icom Replacement VHF Antenna. With its top-notch quality, reliability, and performance, it's truly the best choice on the market. That wraps up our review of the Icom Replacement VHF Antenna. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.